The hospital denies the allegations in the lawsuit, according to court documents filed yesterday. Earlier this week, the judge who was assigned to the case recused herself but gave no reason as to why. A hearing for the lawsuit has not yet been scheduled. So our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland and Richard Herman in Las Vegas. Boy, this is a very difficult one, gentlemen. So, is the issue here that the viability of the fetus is very strong, and that perhaps overrides, the fitness of the mother's body, Richard, that pulling the plug would really mean ending the life of a baby that stands a good chance of living outside the womb?
Well, Fred, the issue is the Texas statute. That's the issue, and the interpretation of the statute. And the statute clearly says that if a person is in a vegetative state or a coma and they are pregnant, the court will ignore any directive of that individual not to be kept on life support and override that to keep the fetus viable up to about 24 weeks where they can remove it versus via cesarean section. But here, the very hospital record says she's brain dead, and there is no chance of resuscitation. There is no chance of bringing her back again. And therefore, the hospital is wrong, and the court must step in and honor the family's wishes here.
And regardless of the outcome of this lawsuit, do you see that the road is already being paved to change or modify or challenge this law as a whole, gentlemen? Richard?
I think so, Fred. But this law exists in 30 states throughout the country. We continue to legislate morality, and we ignore people's wishes. Here, this woman was involved as a medical personnel. She made a clear determination. She did not want to be kept alive if, God forbid, she was put on life support. And everybody is ignoring her wishes. The family are beside themselves.
But that wasn't written, and isn't that part of the problem? It was a conversation between husband and wife. Apparently, the husband has said
Fred,
that,
the hospital record. Yeah,
right, but that they had the conversation that, they would not want to be on life support, but the hospital wants to see that in paper. All right, Avery, Richard.
We'll
yeah, always good to see you. That's a powerful and passionate case for sure. Good to see you guys.
Okay.
And of course, you can always catch our brilliant minds of Richard and Avery. That is every Saturday at about this time every weekend. Always tackling the most intriguing cases of the day, week, month, you name it. Good to see you guys. Thanks so much.
Thank you.